gentlemen, welcome. We are back again with another episode of Pros Puzapi here at Pros Puzapi podcast. And as you know, I am your boy. I'm always with you, OMG Omega, and I'm humbing it. I'm always with the coach. This has become a norm, guys. She's always here and she's always beautiful. My co-host, Polo B.
I know that's right. I go by the name of Polo B. We're back with another one, Pros Puzapi, as he said. And we have our brother, Pro Ngobo, hence Pros Puzapi. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And guys, South Africans are not passage. That's what we want. And we have, it's not our guest, she's been here before. Gorgeous, yellow bone. She's a makeup artist. She's a stylist.
Drum roll.
She looks like me. We're twins, so that means I'm also pretty. She goes by the name of Bobby Zikomo.
Welcome to the show, guys. And we're back again. I missed you so much. You know, when I'm not here, I always miss
Thinking
you.
they don't know what this has been long, bro.
Aye,
So yeah, guys, no, we don't have to, but hey,
But-
at least you know, siyakhumbulana masingabonani. That's the
Siyakhumbulana,
thing,
because
yeah.
kuningi okwenzakalayo. And we've always been like doing good things, you know, out with Ipros Puzapi. A lot of people around Durban, they know Ipros Puzapi. A lot of people across Itubane, they talk about Ipros Puzapi. People actually want to know ukuthi yini Ipros Puzapi, you know, because now it's popping out everywhere. Pros Puzapi events and doing all this, you know. So now people actually really want to know. So Ipros Puzapi origin and vision yayo iyini. I think we sizoyiposa kuwe Mr. Pro himself, you know, because now we need to deliver to these people. Yes, now
No. In all honesty, angifuqamanga. This Pros Puzapi thing came with abantu. It's not even me. The brand itself did not even come with me. I didn't say, hey, so we Pros Puzapi.
Right.
It was something engayibona ukuthi the phrase people keep on saying it. So since the mali senze izinto la ningasibophi. The lockdown has proved ibhadi nje thina.
too much. You
So nje sha kwenza ngisha nje nge-lockdown and kwakwaziwa. So iyona into kakhulu engathi ngabona ukuthi abantu bebesebenzisa kakhulu. As much as before ibikhona, but ngabona ukuthi abantu sebesebenzisa kakhulu because now it became like a phrase to ask, where are we drinking? So when my Pros Puzapi, it's like they asking me, Pro, where can I have fun? Pro, where are you? Where about that about game na corner for the gamale Pros Puzapi? Y'all will be amazed. Mangantshela ukuthi liqhamuke kanjani.
tell us.
Like,
we want to know.
Like
Because we want to know.
angizothi lezane sibusiso.
blessing.
I won't lie to you. So basically, I used to do like I'm a pool side.
Poolside,
Yeah, I'm a pros poolside.
Poolside, yeah.
Oh,
It's
that's
pros
where it
poolside.
started.
Yeah. So Jay, we used to do Leon pros poolside, and everything started picking up. It's cards. It was the lockdown. And everything
I remember
started
back
picking
in
up.
those days.
My guy,
bro.
you remember my guy? So
Listen.
yeah. But yeah, it was like that. So now when I told my dad,
Yeah, so wait, hold on. So put you God, what kind of pose? Hi. No, I'm sorry. You can carry on. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Hi, Bo. Kusuben.
And if I can still remember back, I'm not gonna say.
Well, Tomega, that was the time
Ne.
I started ukuvovela isiZulu.
Wo-
Ila ngafunda
Uyakwazi
ukuvovela
ukuvovela isiZulu?
ngeyinzipho engakanani.
Uyakwazi
ngenxa
ukuvovela
yokuthi
isiZulu?
yayisingekho utshwala
There
la.
was no alcohol, so I had to.
And Safa umzambia ngaleso sikhathi.
Sawugena. And
Sasiphila
we
ngawo.
were living.
Sasiphila ngawo ayikho yenze
Mina
njani.
ngangiqala before iSavannah could actually.
Savannah wasn't even trending at that time.
It wasn't.
It was bottles.
It was bottles, right? But then you know, ngangiqala ukubona before iSavannah introduced iSavannah enesihlatha semnyama. Ngangiqala mina ukubona iSavannah all black enesihlatha semnyama. iSavannah ingakos
Lapho
introduce
ayisaba
babesibulala
world.
labantu. Isihlatha semnyama, yeah, usually it's green, right?
Lapo, I needed Savannah so bad. I'm like, baby,
That's
come wait.
promotion Savannah la, by the
Yeah,
way.
but
I-
with
yo.
The big
Yeah,
one, guys.
yeah,
Call it-
please.
we call it the
Yeah,
big
please.
Mom Ruby.
Ne?
Yes.
Umam Ruby
That's my
nazokuthi
baby.
le enkulu.
South Savannah.
Yes,
Hey,
yes,
that's the one. Okay,
Yeah.
so now, yeah,
Going
Yeah,
back to you,
so-
yeah. Pull, side pull side.
yeah, pros pool side.
Pulls.
So the idea behind the whole thing, mangitshela ke umuntu ongizalayo,
Yeah.
itime alarm, I was like, shit, Bethu, I'm planning to go to this event kanje bengiyenzayo. Then I'm like, pros pool side. Yini le? It mean pros pool side. Pros pool zaphi.
Yeah.
So wait, who realized
I
little
just said it. My dad. Pros pool zaphi.
Oh.
Athi mina. And he
no.
started mocking it.
Course, yeah.
Oh, ngiyophuza lapha yana. Hey, no man. And I'm like, this thing actually has a ring to it.
Sure.
Right.
And I'm like, okay, let me use this as a hashtag, pros poolside, but I'm gonna use it as pros
Pros
poolside.
poolside.
So the hashtag.
Cool.
And once I started introducing it, fortunately for us, with the Abantu Vele sasizwana nabo, we were a community at that time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but even now seeing those people,
Back then, namanje,
yeah.
yeah.
So it
Yeah.
became like a family where we sit in there. It's a community, umphakathi, all walks of life, where every weekend, umuntu, if you wanna have fun, if you want to vibe, yabo le nto le, you know good now. The first thing, awungibuza ukuthi ngephi. Awungibuza pro, can I join you? Awungibuza ukuthi pro, yabo wenzani?
Yes,
Namhlanje
see.
khipha.
Uhamba nobani?
First thing you find umbuzo yona pros puzaphi.
Aware.
Now that's how you
Aware.
announce yourself game ukuthi you are available and we
Sisi
can
uma
have
ethi pro
fun.
gay uzongiziba nje zovele.
Awusele you hard
Hayi
right left
ngiyakubona
behind.
akazi phela lo
Akazi.
akusena umndeni wethu loyo. Ubani loyo? Ubani loyo? So you need to be like pro puza. Then I know good okay this is one of our own.
Yeah, and Mose Dubane ungazi ukuthi pros puzaphi. Sikubuka ngelinye ihlo ukuthi kanti uhlala phi yena?
Ungayazi pros
Where you
puza.
from?
Where you from? Tell us now.
Nanokubuka ngilisa ubuka nangihlo yazisho ne straight.
Uyazitha
Ubone
nje.
ngama
Ushawa
videos.
ngomzimba.
Ubone ngama videos lapha.
Ushawa ngomzimba. And then I call him Uboti. I have a lot of respect for this brother here, Pro Ngobo. Dude, why do you have more girls than gents? I'm not judging. I just
Yeah.
want to clear the color.
Is it-
Amahle.
Amahle.
Hayi,
Ibabuni.
cousin.
I mean, okay, wait. But before you answer that, actually, umethe amantombazane amahle. Uyabona siphethe. I mean,
Ngiyibonile lento yaphi.
yeah.
Ngiyibona lento yaphi. Ngendlela
They
esimiswa
should know. They should know. They should know.
I have.
There's a phethe amantombazane
From
amahle.
Ngobo.
Yeah.
So one more girls, is it a marketing strategy of some sort?
Ngathini? No, lento iqala kude mfethu with this thing yamantombazane. Ngicabanga njalo ukuthi singathanda amantombazane o nani. Hey, nami ngithola ngiseduze kwabo.
Amen.
Oh,
So let me
shit.
just tell you,
Khona
it's-
ayiphosayo.
we used to have like
Angashelani-ke
inkinga ughost ngeke nimbone but ughost
Ughost.
Azile.
Azile, shout out to Azile, shout out to Ghost.
Azile, ughost.
Yeah, Mr. Gunman.
I got guns.
Yeah, Mr.
So yeah,
Gunman.
that's the guy engathi ngayiqala naye kakhulu lezi zinto lezi nje
Yeah.
ezenzayo. Kakhulukazi Pema. He's the person behind izinto eziningi. Khona omunye ke komunye. But anyway, nisazombona.
Yeah,
Yes, bathathu. So with him, we used to have like a fashion show. Like we used to have like a modeling agency basically under Pema Marketing.
Sure.
So we used to have girls, bruh, like come in like yabo, and they used to apply. Then we started like looking for other ways to advance their careers or even their to clear up like their growth yabo.
Right.
So we started like funa umsebenzi endaweni mhlawumbe lezi ama establishment our club and everything. So now people started applying amantombazane.
Yeah.
Then masiya kulezi indawo, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And speaking of that, Mr. Gunman, Dabo Production, hi. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
And speaking of that, it's a good work you guys did there, right? Because when I went to your website, right, one of the girls who was on your agency, she's now an actor. I saw her acting on TV.
Lalela, if
Right,
I have
and I
to
was
tell you,
amazed.
ukuthi
I'm-
there's a
for real.
lot of people engathi mangakutshela ngamagama abo, abaningi even Miss South Africa, bro.
Are you serious?
I promise.
is
I
big.
promise you. But the idea basically was ukuthi what we NGO, sasisebenza ne
Yeah.
NGO, it's 21 projects. Yabo elokishini eMlazi. And from there we thought ukuthi masiza nalana kulezi indawo la eThekwini, we're going to provide more opportunities. So if we start doing events, we know we're going to subsebenzisa yona le youth le esemlazi ukuthi si provide amathuba. Sibanike leyo lento lena. And we did that. But now, masiqala itholakala because another thing asasinayo at that, when was it? It was 2018, right? 2018, 2018.
Was it
When
20
we 2018.
2017, ne?
Not le lento le. Yeah, I'm talking about like ama waitressing and hostessing because I go with hostess crew basically
okay.
Pema hair. So
2018,
girls used to like apply because enye into sahlise
What?
ngayo ngangathathi lutho kubona emholeni nabo. Into bebeyithola injalo so uthola ukuthi now irate yabo bona isiphezulu and bahola kangcono kunendawo eziningi. Now I started getting a lot of requests amantombazane wanting to be part of that day. Then mase ngenza ama event they also want to come uyabona.
Oh, so they
Suddenly
saw the
started
events.
yes, it started like that. Bona pro unamantombazane amahle ngama hostess wonke umuntu yabo mayifuna uqasha amantombazane they will come to pro. Then it started like that day. It's not ngoba
Emphasis.
You can
I
actually start an
go,
agency, dog.
No, bro, it was. It's like ukuthi nje we disband because lento inokukhuluma okuningi especially nje
For
lezi
sure.
zinto zama host amantombazana yakhulu.
Ayakhulu.
Ngisho ngabenze bizwa nje manje ngithi I
Drama.
didn't take shit from imholo yabo.
Yeah.
But yo.
Still, ne?
Really.
Yeah.
So nje I was like no that part no.
And then Nakona, because I've been through I don't know how many times and I enjoy it all the time.
Mm.
When I go to Putamete wenzani, get namhlanje off. How am I
Was.
ngiyasebenza la namhlanje.
Yeah.
I want to be there. Oh, I want to be there.
And
So,
then
like,
Kumnandi
how do you
kakhulu.
handle the rider part, like hospitality vibes? Like, do you pay it yourself?
like
Is
now
it on
in this,
the-
in this
the-
sense mangiqashiwe shoot like if I go to a place lapho bangibhookile or something.
Sure.
No, I got a person phela obviously who sees to that. Yabo.
Yeah.
But lento yama right niyazi nani khuluma kanjani kule
Hey.
industry
Hey,
guys.
utshwala, bani.
Hey, mfethu utshwala one kuyabiza manje ama establishment
Yeah.
guys musana kwa abuser artists
Amane sithenga usimende kunokuthi sithenga utshwala.
nombani
Exactly.
maniqashiwe yekeni lento yoku abuser ama establishments.
Yeah.
It's
It's either ama
what do
club,
you mean?
it's either ama restaurants or whatever abantu abaniqasha ama promoter.
Yeah.
Yes, you'll have it right. Yes, we understand
Sizoyithola.
the fact here hospitality that
Yeah.
you'll need to be okay or you'll need to feel like you need to be comfortable
You need to
basically.
be comfortable.
But lento yokuthi ngifuna ama champagne awu6 ngoba wena ucabanga ukuthi ngoba ngifuna
Hayi,
ukufika namantombazana amangakanani noma ngifuna ukufika nabajitami kubukwe thina la ama cost lawo because
Okay.
ekugcineni hayi
Wait,
mahala.
you,
No,
are
this-
you being sarcastic?
No, I'm being
No, he's
honest. This
being
is stuff
for
that
real.
we deal with. Me, in a sense, my events.
6 champagnes awani, bro.
Ngizosuke ngikhiphe indaba.
Ngale
There's a lot of
Hey, Miss
artists.
Time about it. Whoa. What is 6 champagnes? Are you just estimating? Which one
No,
is this
I'm
one?
talking about real shit. People here outside, they'll be asking for Ama rider that are so ridiculous.
Ridiculous,
Never
right?
mind. Ngoba ngisho, we understand.
Sure.
Ukuba comfortable. I understand. I need to be.
When
I'm
you
a
say
host.
comfortable, which view are you coming from?
Okay, both.
To who?
But from both. Ngoba ngisho uyangiqasha endaweni.
Yeah.
I come to that place. Yeah, obviously now I need to be comfortable mangilapho. So I set up yakho one lounge yakho yazi. Ngiyayithanda ihub. for sure you know her upro.
And
So angithi uyayibona. So uyazi ukuthi okay I need to have a hub.
angidingi ihub.
Hey, I need to also eat.
Ngicisha ihub.
Ngcono kodwa kune-vapor guys. I-vapor.
Kwayona iwesi i-vapor.
I-vapor.
Hayi vapor nje I feel like
Yes.
usuke na usuyitshela kakhulu.
You-
Usubhizi ubhema we.
Yeah, petite.
I-vapor guys
Aye.
ngeke.
Oh, so bring and share vibes.
No, we
Cha
can't
nalo
share.
bring and change yini.
Bayoshaya no-bring and share kwi-vapor.
Hey, happy.
vapor,
Abo, Yazi, I have a friend. Let me just be random quick. I have a friend that is driving a Wrangler through Imadi Happy.
Are you?
That's how much Happy
You're
is
shitting
making.
me right now.
No,
Wrangler.
everyone loves Hubly now.
Yeah.
Like ngisho imshado, I saw this one video.
Even though Gogo manje.
Why man?
Ungekuchazela.
No, ngempela.
Ini you mad.
Hey,
Mwa.
it's
You mad?
Are you
Wait, they're
serious?
just
What?
sitting nje velapha and
Twa
uyabona bayibhema.
cela usethi ipayipi.
Ngeke. Ungangitshela umakoti nomkhwenyana babhemile.
Umkhwenyana uyibhema nalento nalento le. Nathi nje lapha wena phela
Ngisakhuluma ngayo
But ke guys, it's like that.
Bayifukuza. So guys, don't forget to comment and tell us about our topics. Literally, we want to hear from you. So, in fact, yabo Linda baye right angakayizwa kahle.
Ah no, ukuthi yazini khawathi abantu abaningi especially mozoyibuka on this side lokuba i-artist.
Artists, yeah.
But
right.
awubuki ukuthi umuntu oza kuyena mapha ama burdens because ekugcineni one awukho wedwa. Shiya imali yakho engaka le kufanele ikhokhwe but awukho wedwa. So mina I bring 4 or 6 artists to find ngiyitshela ukuthi we writer alone I will have to spend more than 10k. That's bullshit. That shit needs to change with industry guys. Inhlonipha ama establishment. Mbona seningaqashwa abantu abaningi ningabizwa ngoba they know ukuthi ama cost are beyond.
Oh,
Because
you're teaching me.
promote,
No,
even
you're
on social
teaching
media.
me. I'm
Hey,
learning here.
hey, even
Yeah.
on social media they don't even promote but they expecting all of this.
Leshanise ukuthi ukhipha amali ukuthi bafuna
six
ukhipha
right
awu6
now,
right
guys.
so if it's actually
Yeah,
like
yeah, well, yeah,
four
yeah,
artists
yeah,
four
yeah.
artists
No one
in
else
mind.
then. I don't know.
No, but I'm not a champagne girl. That's the thing. I'm a Jean.
Genie
And I also love a lot of Savannah.
Promote to Savannah, guys.
Hamba in Savannah.
Nah.
Lalela, let me tell you one thing about Savannah, dog.
Yeah.
Savannah will change your life.
Nah.
Savannah will
Horrible.
save your life.
Oh,
Nah.
no.
Savannah, you are hanging, but you need a Savannah as soon as you wake up.
Nah.
Am I right or am I right? Hey,
Mfakazi nje.
How? Wena nje umuntu ohlala phansi Savannah ufuna iSavannah. Oh, now usungibona kanje.
Hayibo, usisi.
Shy
Mina
Astro
guys,
Pay. Shy Astro Pay.
I'm a slay queen la.
I stop pass.
Ngiyabonga.
Is there anything you've like I came across mhlampe someone saying bad things about you, positive vibes, like
No, it's
umuntu
always.
osowakhuluma kabi ngawe
Nah, I
what
don't
the
get that
project you're
much.
pushing.
But you can never satisfy everyone.
Sure.
That's just the truth of the industry. Fun with your music. If you're an artist and you're producing your music, the artistry could never expect to wonke umuntu. You're gonna have
It's
your
gonna like
audience. So it's never about wonke umuntu. Because abanye abantu they might even say stuff, not that they mean it, but uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe they inheriting beef ethile. Or
Yeah.
mhlawumbe omunye
Supporting.
umuntu ubona ukuthi usho something, hayi ukuthi
They wanna
ngoba
see your
ile
reaction.
umona. Noma futhi ufuna ukubona ireaction yakho yayibona. So if le industry yona khonto yasho uNdlo Junior. He said shout out to Uндlo Junior. That's my friend. I like
Awe.
him.
Shout out to Umtimbane. I call him
Yeah, it's
Utemba.
Lalela,
It's Dodla.
I didn't know the bro.
Ah, Baba, why shama kilometer undo is
Man,
Nini?
oh.
Zo, up a kilometer.
Man.
Pama
So
kilometer.
Uндlo, what he said.
Esejima ngisisiduda.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Good like I could feel like asking so bad.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Uндlo uthi yazi mfethu you like le industry you do get a lot of abantu uthola ukuthi ene into abayenzayo abayinikeli kuyo and it might be umculo wabo it might be even nje inang yabona mawuzoya ngenhliziyo. And I was like, bro, kule industry mawuya ngenhliziyo uyakhumbula mawuya ngenhliziyo awukho serious uthi kule
ngeke
industry.
ulast.
Because khona abantu abazokuvalela ama-gates ngenxa
Don't take
yokuthi
it
uwazi
personal.
unomuntu wakhe hayi ukuthi uyakuzona. So ungaboni abantu mhlawumbe mebekuvalela ama-opportunities like uthola ukuthi
Angles.
ezinye iy'ndawo uyabona ukuthi why ngingalokhu include noma nani ungathola ukuthi umuntu unomuntu wakhe hayi ukuthi there's something wrong with your artistry. Not that maybe there's something wrong with craft yakho or
That's a-
anything or wena as a person. No. That's why in the industry it's ruthless, guys. And we can't beat around the bush because a lot you won't make it. That's
Yeah,
why
you
some
won't.
people they'll be doing stuff abangayilindele ngenxa yesimo sokuthi they want to make it and they were not even expecting it, but niyabona ukuthi it's demanded of them.
Illuminati.
Yeah. So don't go too hard.
That was deep.
That was the.
That
I'm
was
sorry.
Can
I'm
somebody
sorry.
give me some
No.
tissue?
That was inspiring.
I need some tissue.
Pros, please up
Oh,
here.
don't go there.
But let me.
So, Putwami,
Yeah.
like umuntu mangase kubuze ukuthi what is pro Ngobo? Like what's your position?
Upendo
Like,
mcha.
what can we call you? Are you a promoter? Are you a marketing
Yeah,
manager?
that's a good question, eh?
Are you or you a pimp? Cause uhamba namathekeni. I'm asking for the viewers.
Bafethu.
Phela
Oh.
I'm sure abanye bayitshela kanjalo abanye.
Ah, for
I'm
sure.
sure abanye
Yes, I'm not
bayakhuluma
saying
into
he
enjalo.
is. I'm
singazi.
saying I'm pretty sure. Because Miss Lily, don't think I'm only posering and getting drunk and I'm not seeing
Because
what
khona
people are
nomunye
seeing.
khona
Or what,
nomunye
what,
waphuma kwilento le lento le eyayiduma kakhulu exposing hands yena ke nawe wayishaya ilomntana
Uba manje.
wayihosta naye.
Who's that? We want
Yeah,
names.
No.
No, we need to know. People need to know.
Udayisa amantombazane uphumpa amantombazane.
Wait.
Basi ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi siwani.
What?
that's,
Okay.
that's a
I'm
topic
so
for
sure.
another day.
Okay, use now that page, exposing hands. As the-
Bengizoyibuyisa kanjani?
Cha, I'm just saying,
I didn't even know
exposing
those
hands.
was- there was
That page, exposing hands.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
Angazi athi ngiphume kulo.
Akwazi uphuma
Ziyangena.
ilona.
Angithi
Kodwa-
angazi uzwe into
But-
etheni
No,
ngami.
akazi.
That means
angifuni-
keep her kuphimba.
Angilwi.
Cha,
No,
I'm just saying.
I'm trying to
Keep
explain.
uphimba.
Wait, owakithi wena.
No, imina uchazi-
Relax
imina
kancane.
uchazi
Wait,
phela, guys.
Boba.
Okay,
No.
yeah.
Relax.
Yeah.
Mina la ngibuzela ama-viewers angibuzeli mina personally.
I get
understand?
it.
So are you a promoter? Are you a marketing manager or management?
Are you an
Or you a
artist
pimp?
manager?
Or
Yeah.
and
Ooh.
let me the fourth one personally now I'm telling you
Mm.
personally like my personal view. Umuntu wabantu.
Too much,
Every
ne?
time we go to a club, walk amathekeni.
Inhliziyo
Relax.
yakhe,
Sana
inhliziyo
sami.
yakhe, guys.
Makodwa kithi wena. Inhliziyo yakhe. Umuntu wabantu. Amathekeni nawo ayiphosa
Imsulwa.
yena ayiphosa etafuleni. Babona the liquor. So hence pros pizza.
Ngiyabonga, uyangikhapha.
You understand? Angikhavi ngikhuluma iva.
No, ivari.
No,
phela.
mina
Awusikelela.
ngiceba ngeke akuthi. Manje inkinga kunama-file apho.
Yabo, manje angikusho.
Ngoba-
And
And
nakhona
the
if you
editing.
did something bad, then uzothi but hey, webheki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Angifuni uqhamanga awukazi ubhayize mfethu emathekenini awukaze
No, akazi.
uhlanye angikaze nje ngibona udakiwe ke mina ke.
Yeah. Hey, phela ngibe
Ah,
washi phela. Ayisihamba
uyadakwa
nabantu.
lona uhlupha mina.
Lona yeke uqamba amanga
Oh.
nabantu. Thini ngawo manje? Thini
Guys,
ngalona
I'm a
phela.
ghost. Your papa cost now.
Hey.
Hey.
You wanna say something, bro?
Uyadakwa lona. No, guys, I'm kidding.
Speak to me, tell
No,
me
we
now.
were always
Into
in
lokuthi
state.
uphuza kakhulu uyadakwa. Ingakho esedlala kanje laba.
And akadakwa mfethu
Manje-
bro, I've never seen him drunk.
Yeah, nami.
Yeah, no, you would never. Because
Ever.
one thing about me, I'll always have that eye. You would say, hey, yabona ngoba ngihamba nabantu, I also have to like keep an eye.
Yeah,
Ekugcineni.
yeah,
Wonke
that's
umuntu okwaphuma nami, everyone who knows me, like really knows the pros pulls up.
Yeah.
They will know ukuthi how I actually have lento ukuthi I wanna like overseas into ey'ningi. I wanna protect y'all. I wanna
Yeah,
check ukuthi wonke umuntu ube nento zakhe uhamba kahle.
I'm a
nani.
witness.
I will always check because
Yeah,
we're a
nami,
community, guys. Fana uma uzophuza ungakhali ngakusasa uthi awu ifoni yami ayisekho isikhwama sami asisekho nana that needs akufanele kube khona
You
leyo
need
nto.
safety first.
Safety first, bro.
can
So
I-
we
can
have
I-
to be like
there's,
big
there's,
brothers.
there's a
bro.
question topic for my beautiful
Calling in
twin.
your head. Yeah.
It's literally running.
Yeah.
Sana Sam, for Amaterian out there
Yeah.
in the nightlife, like what advice can you give them if they are new to the club or to the nightlife entertainment or is it right?
No,
Does
sure,
that sound
sure,
right?
sure.
No. You're putting it.
Ningi nganelahlayo la futhi ebhayizayo. So nje
Regarding
that's a good thing.
beauty, benze njani
Ekanokulahlwa,
ukuze
man.
kuhambe kahle for the night
Oh, was it kumele for the night?
Yes.
With beauty.
Yeah.
Okay.
and styling. Jesus Christ, my Lord, friend, I wenza
Lalela,
amaseba.
lalela ke kwiloko awuqale ngestyling kumele wenze sure
What?
ukuthi ufake ungapheleni ufake izinto lezi oh sisancane ingakho ingane segcine seyilahla la ngaphandle ne
But manje now us guys, I won't lie, emaklabhini we also want to see lelo thangana phela.
hayi phela eliveza ngisho iqhezi
Inkinga ke
inkinga phela baqala kanjalo phela.
Yazi ngenza
Phela
even
iqhezi,
me.
oh, cause now
Ngifaka i-tight ngaphansi.
yes cause ngeke phela usufake into ezoveza manje sihambo sezibona amaqhezi especially
Wazi
Ziyadayisa
namaqhiza
ke
amahle.
phela.
mawuda no yeke iqhezeni
They are selling ass.
sengikhuluma ngamatheke njengamanje cause abanye ingakho behlezi belahla kanjalo asifuni kubona amaqheza amahle thina si right kumele uyihloniphe on kumele ube
Kwi-groove.
right. Ne ngeke phela uhamba usakaza amaqheza
No, dude, I've seen so many bump cheeks in my life.
yeah
Nah,
I mean,
it's
crazy
enough.
ngiyabona.
It's not enough.
Andy,
I'm
Andy.
straight,
Yeah.
but for that's just how the club
and abafana
goes.
obakuthatha kancane ke futhi mawuhamba usakaza
No, phela vele. Okay, my
Abahloniphi.
knowledge and my
and
view.
bazokunika ilontinjana isafu
Ini? Bazokunika ini?
Uyabheda lo.
ngifuna ukuthi savana
Uyabheda.
However, so let me tell you one thing. About in the club. Yabo mina. So basically, my Mantombazano Tobega is trying to say, just be clean. I makeup, I be on point. And
yes ibe on
khuluma umuntu ongayifaki sometimes, which is me, and my face is done by her
mawuthi
in
makeup
30
oyenzile
minutes.
ngizofika ungibize ngizokwenza mina
Oh.
ngoba kuze endini yamiosihlala ngala around time
And her handle is Barbie's Kobo.
You got that
Follow.
right.
And it's on her email. Bazokuthola in the bio.
yes
Awe.
email yami
Wathi Yahoo soxabana.
Ah!
Yeah.
Yo, dog.
Awuthi
And
ngizwe.
guys, don't forget to
email
subscribe.
yami it's zikubuthobeka
Nakya?
@icloud.com
iCloud.
inamba yami ithi
Hey, you're taking chances.
Okay, anyways, guys, you heard that. So Barbie's Kobo on Instagram and Ubani on email.
zikubuthobeka double A @icloud.com
Amen.
Hallelujah.
That's right. So guys, please, when you go to the club, make sure your face is clean, your dress is clean.
nawe
And-
ube clean nawe ube clean
We understand.
I got an advice on that part there. And that advice is Mategin, I think abantu abaseduze kwami, they know this.
I know. Tom, do not. You're not about to say that.
Oh my God.
You're not
Give him
about to
respect.
say.
Let me pour a fucking drink.
No, bro.
But do I
No.
I doubt
Go,
if
go,
you like
fools,
about-
and share
Nah,
my-
but let me hear you.
Why close utshwala lo muntu lo?
mbuke
Ngilalelani la ngisamuntu mina kunenkinga ongifonela.
Look, I honestly,
Ngafanya ngathi-
I'm just hoping you're not gonna say what I think you're gonna
No,
say.
it's a good
No,
advice.
let him be.
guys kwenza
It's a good
Let him
advice.
be.
So guys, I'm not taking girls. I'm
This
speaking
guy is
to y'all
gonna
now,
do it.
guys.
Oh my
So
god.
this
Are
is
they
the-
gonna know?
This is the
They're
thing.
gonna find out.
If
They
it
gonna know.
happens, ukuthi niyaphuma, you're going outside with your friends, yeah,
At night.
girls' nights, and you're going outside. Nibe la. In a sense yokuthi imani phela nemali ye-Uber guys. Ayikho into edabukisayo njengonibona senidabukisa.
Well,
Sengazi
it's
ukuthi
not
ihanjwa
that.
kanjani.
No.
Noma nalo muntu lo ebeni plan ukuthi naye uyena ozoni-uberishela vele ahambe eqala noma mhlawumbe usethola indoda lapha phambili then seni-stranded. Izona zinto ezenza ubungozi kule industry kakhulukazi in
And they
the
make the
nightlife.
niggas look bad.
So as a girl, I always believe that you need to have Uber money. Uber money ukuthi nje usuke wena individual share lo ihlanisa nabangani. But wena individual ube ne Uber money uzoyitshela ukuthi okay mangisuka la ngiyazi mina mangixakeka la engikhona ngiyahamba. Then mase niba nemali ya 6 pack. ayikho into ebuhlungu nje ukuthi mase sinibona lapha ematafuleni senilinda utshwala.
Sesila
Selinda amadoda noma nilinda utshwala and you don't have anything. Nitrayise six pack, imali six pack nitrayise nje mfethu ngisho ngaba ama cocktail guys. Nitrayise. So leyo nto le ibalekile.
I'm also gonna ask Utobega, no Polo B, because you know you guys are also brands, right?
Yeah.
Outside of Pros Puzapi, right? So have you guys received any critics with the work that you do? Have you had like people that you know, some have jealousy, some they talk behind your back, who would say, "I will Polo B this and that, I will Tobega this and that." You can start.
Funny thing with me, I'm always gonna be honest.
Yeah.
Iqiniso nje angilisabi.
Mm.
I get haters more from males.
Yeah.
From males.
Literally, like I'm more hated by males than females.
Yeah.
And that thing is just so disturbing for me, and I'm just like, so are you the new bitches?
Image in this like in the industry or some
No
in
me
general.
happy. Ngomoya personally, noma ngubuhle.
Really?
Yeah. It's mostly abantu besilisa. They hate me so much. And I think mina njengoba ngishilo ngizokhuluma angisabi umuntu angikweleti umuntu hlangene nawe uma inkinga nami. But nakhona I don't hate you. You know what I mean? So mina especially Ethekwini is a country. Durban is a country.
It is.
A small country.
That's a really like a good explanation
like, Durban
to all
is
of
a
this,
small country. I'm not too sure which country. I know amanyama countries that are like really tiny and they live in their own life. It's like we are living our own life.
Right.
Asinengi, asihlangani, mo beta beta, mo tswepo, mo push on leyo trend leyo.
Right.
But with males, most of them bazongizonda because I'm ahlabisanga.
Ow. Isn't that normal though?
Hold on. Why are you hating because I didn't throw pussy?
Awuyabazi lapho.
Hayi inkinga ngimazi. Phela bangikhasayo. Inkinga ilapho ke.
Inkinga
Inkinga ilapho phela abanye abangikhasikayo. Ngaze ngihamba ngayo approach ngathi bro, I heard from 5 different people that don't even know each other. I heard abona ku last one.
Yeah.
I heard from my ex's ex.
Wait. So okay.
Ungizweka.
Were they saying
Ex's
ukuthi
ex.
but
My
they slept
ex's
with you?
Ex.
Oh, understand.
Yeah.
So intombi ex yami.
Okay, so wait.
I-ex yakhe.
Yeah, okay. Quickly, Polo B.
Ukuthi ngendlela engincane ngayo ke
Yeah.
literally the niggas.
Yeah.
The fact yabo la eThekwini khona umoya ngubonile. Once you give away Puss in Boots,
Yeah.
awuyinja.
No.
They are cool with you, you vibe, but into abazoyikhuluma ngawe kuwena
Hey.
is fucking ridiculous. And I overhear things, but I don't talk about them because it's none of my business.
It's none of your business, okay.
But manje, niggas will hate you because nje hayi awuyidedile.
Oh, you did there. So wait now. So Pascal Gwale out Tola from, is it YAT he slept with you or was it Uguti
Lalela
taking
uthi
it
Jacob
right?
Mtoyetu.
Yeah.
One of them was like ngilale naye and I'm his girlfriend. He put lento ephezu kwekhekhe. Icheli yobani mfethu. Kase ngaya kuyena ngathi why am I hearing this and that? Hi Philippi mina ngeke sengeze lotho kuwena. Then nakhona I
Stop
didn't
doing
give
voices, I'm getting
feedback.
ideas.
I didn't there was no back and forth.
Yeah.
Because I'm not that person. I'm like, okay, mo phika. Shuthi mina islima la.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uyabo? Nakhona ngikholwa ukuthi lento ekhulumayo ayikho. Ngeke ngitshela abantu abawu5 abahlukile the same thing, dog.
Right.
Then I'm not gonna now cause drama. I'm like, uyazini uthi ngivele ngifake istopper la sasinki. Asivale ke man.
No, I think everywhere you have to clear rumors. That, like as much as
It's very important.
I'm saying umuntu othanda clear my room. Yabo ngibiza ngephi?
What is the point of
Ungangibiza
coming up
ngani?
with
You
a
can
rumor?
call me whatever. I don't care. I really don't care abantu bathini la ngaphandle.
But I
Which
feel
you're not
like
I used to
also-
care what people say
also-
until
I
I
used to.
grew up.
And also, I mean,
I used
it
to.
also takes a lot of
Mina,
energy
sorry
to
to
entertain,
cut you.
right?
When I say care, Lo care is very weird. When you care, you go to that person ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi uthe.
Yeah.
Hey, that's
Kanti
too
leyo nto,
much.
that's what
That is too much.
exactly.
Yeah,
Ila
that's
ngaflopa khona
so
ngabona
ukuthi,
ukuthi no.
yeah.
Ngiyabheda nami
care. Right.
People that make rumors are psychopaths. They are the people that no.
Abave beqamba amanga nje.
No,
Unprovoked.
you know what's the
I
dumbest
believe
thing
that
they
too.
want?
Yeah.
They want to see a reaction. That is
reaction.
it. That's their fix.
Sometimes basuke befuna ukuvunywa ngawe.
Even the character assassination,
Right. Yeah.
that's I believe that's part of it, man.
Yeah.
Because
That
if you
is
start
crazy,
claiming izinto ongazazi noma ukhuluma izinto othi zikhona kodwa azikho.
I mean, ngiyaqonda kuwena noma
Awuphethu
kuthiwa
uyang
ikhali.
assassinate lapha my
I mean,
character.
ngiyakuwena ngithe ngizwe uthuthe. Noma kuthiwa uphethe 9 ne-rifle la.
Okay, let me
Ikahle wena.
before I'm moving,
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you a story
I need
about
to move.
Goldmax. About Goldmax. I hope he's also watching this.
Yeah.
Awe.
Go lead.
So Goldmax. I
Yaku,
like that dude. I like that dude. Alright, alright.
He's
as much as
a
they-
genius.
alright.
He's the funniest guy in the game I know.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright. So with him, there was this thing engayizwa. It was a private thing, cabang. Angizoyisho nje la, it's fine. It was a private
he cool
thing,
with it?
and ngifuna understand ukuthi ngifuna understand this out esisenzayo la. And ngifuna understand futhi ukuthi izinto ezincane zingalimaza kanjani ama relationships. So here ngiyafika ngelinye ilanga eklabhini. Shout out to Liv le club.
Oh, I remember the story.
Yeah. So ngiyafika nakhona ngiyabona okay, I'm working there whatever. Then Junior P, shout out to
Inja.
Junior P. Shout out to Junior P.
The coolest human being I know.
Yeah. Ngifuna uzwisa
Oh
out.
my
Ngifuna
God.
uzwisa out sakhe ke la.
And it is out.
Angisazi.
Ukhuluma ngomngani wami.
Unefeni
No.
la.
I always tell him that. I'm like, no, we out.
Yeah, no, he out today.
Yeah, he's cool.
Junior P, I want
Oh,
like guys,
he's
he out
real,
today.
man.
So now, in this scenario, I'm gonna just talk about it. Into eyenziwa uJunior P uyafika kimi.
How?
Pro. Yazi bethulana ngizwa kuthiwa wena utshela amathekeni ukuthi uGoldmax mayifika la mhlawumbe uzofika etafuleni. Akathenga itshwala, uzophuza utshwala bethu nani. And I'm like, I think no, uGoldmax uyena ongitshelile
What?
ukuthi
Uzwe ngethekeni.
Shoot uzwe ngethekeni ethile ethi mina ngisho njalo nani so manje watshela phela uB vele uyazi ukuthi usondele nami and futhi uyazi ukuthi ene yabo uzokwa uB afike kimi it's out. I respect that as I'm out. I respect
But
that.
B is the realest
I
human
respect
being.
He's the real one.
Oh my
Afike
God, he's
kumfoka
a
achile athi hayi mfowethu athi pro lapha ethi ngizo 1 no 2 no 3 yabo ngendlela osho ngayo
Sure.
ngiyithathela nalapha pro ngizo 1 no 2 no 3 but angikholwa nami vele ngangakholwa ukuthi yena kodwa futhi ngamtshela ukuthi ngizoye ngikhulume nawe ngaze ngasho nami ukuthi mdoti mina
And
Hey,
let me
Mofethu.
pause you. Junior B, ngeke ungitshela ukuthi wake wambonela.
Yeah, no.
Ngicela ungichazele nje fight eyodwa uB wake wayela kuyona. But ngithunuke.
Kuzokuthula.
Awe mawuzonya.
but yabona even for
Uthini
that for
kuzokuthini.
me
Yeah.
that part nje alone ukuthi afike kimi that was something yokuthi uyabuka ukuthi yazi amathekeni or not even amathekeni abantu nje
No,
they will
abafana,
even
abafana
say
besilisa,
whatever uyazi bethi ngathu
Asima
and I
girls.
even went to Goldmax we spoke about this I'm like dude hayibo no kusoxabaniswa izinto esingazazi yini lento engizwayo nayo kube lokho okuthuka sidlule futhi ku is out le sadlula asihleke futhi nani but even till today this I think it happened 22 or 23 like I was
no,
so
it was-
This stash le.
this was no
No,
it was
it
22 23 ngoba ngisho
That's new.
and I was like
Count.
Hayibo.
22, 23, 24, 25. That's 4 years ago. 4 years.
No, it was
So, yeah, boy, sisakhona le nto le.
2023.
Even
Yeah,
worse.
ba. So even less.
mangibhora lapho mina
Umbona. Umbona.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
it's
but anyway.
oh.
Junior P called next.
Yeah,
but
so
Pongo.
as a group page Facebook.
Yabanyanyisa
Okay, I see the
le- Iyaninyanyisa. You're
You
like
still-
haters.
You still
You're
going
like
on with
example.
it's out.
Huh? No, it was just me
Yes,
like nje, putting in a thing referring to what she was saying.
Yeah.
Ukuthi esikhathini you might even not like think ukuthi ungabi nandaba nezinto abantu abayishoyo.
Okay.
And some of the things are really damaging.
Thank you.
Njengayo lento
Amen.
if ngathi mina njengayo lencane nje as much as siyafuna ukuba nalento
And lencane yona inkinga kakhulu.
awubuke nje lento encane kangaka if angiyanga nje nami Gold Max noma mhlambe ngiye ku Big ngimtshela ivari ukuthi akusefe lento ishoyo angiyazi angiyizwa.
And also I think you appreciating is out, right?
Sure.
Ngalendlela, because just imagine if Ujuna B just believed whatever that he heard, and then it was like, you know what?
Hey,
And then it was never gonna get to your ears, right? And then Gold Mix was gonna be stuck with Leon to would say,
True.
you know what? Oh, so Pro, this is what he thinks of me, right?
So Goldmax was concerned.
I really don't know ukuthi phela iside lakho uza kanjani, but ngokutshela uB obviously it's about how umcheat.
He was hurt.
Cheater
He-
wakho.
I think
Yeah,
true,
ngasesho
right?
kanjena.
Yeah, I think it was
Ukuthi
hurt.
akhulume ngayo.
Ubengakho-
Kuthiwa mhlawumbe into engayidlulisa bengeze ekhulume ukukhuluma
Yes,
ngayo.
right.
So the fact that ukhulume nomuntu onjengo Junior B
Right.
umthembile
Right.
ukuthi wena ngiyazi
Yeah.
zonke livari.
Yeah.
Uzongitshela iva uze
Uzoya
yasho nayo
understand?
uB ukuthi hawu mfethu yangize ngiyakuphikela.
Yeah.
Now
Yes,
ngifuna
why?
ubuka i-character ukuthi nayo I understand the character yami ukuthi okay this is out of character for uPro.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think Pro can do this. Awuthi ngimbuze ngibe ne-show.
Just to get
Now
the
yeah,
confirmation.
i-friendship iba kanjalo, not even friendship nje ama-relation aba kanjalo. Transparency.
It's very
Ukuthi nje
important.
u-understand ukuthi abantu nabo
Mmele umuntu
engabo
ongekho.
udevil udevil mazi ukuthi udevil
Udevil.
u-understand futhi udevil
Udevil.
but angathi umuntu mayesho something ebhedayo nomuntu omaziyo uvume
Engekho.
noma uvela uthule but uwazi kahle ukuthi that's out of character ungambuzi